Hello guys, so I need to get better at this because I really never charge my camera battery, but I will get better. Um, so today I will be making a cucumber face scrub, basically cucumbers and baking soda and some water and a bit of honey, but that's optional. And yeah. Okay, so now we're going to get started and we're going to take the cucumbers and put them in our blender, and you just want to grind them up really well until it's finally blended, and because there's so much water in there you won't really need to add much more water, but you'll just see as we go along. And just get a little Tupperware like this, or a little bowl, but a Tupperware is best so you can save it in. Start out with just the cucumbers, and then when you think they need some water, just add a tiny bit and you'll see. So like right now they're gonna need some water because there's just nothing really to work off of. So just take some water, not all of this, just pour a little bit in. You can see that I didn't even use that much. Now, you might want to take a spoon or something just to scrape it down. Okay. And I used about maybe 10 or 13 slices of cucumber, and then I chopped them really fine. Okay. Now you kind of want it chunky, but I'm just going to go ahead, and you can see that that's really chunky, so I'm just going to do it a little more. Now after you've put it all in your Tupperware and cleaned up everything, because I didn't really want to show that, but you know, whatever. You're going to take your baking soda and add it to the cucumbers. So I'm going to be taking a tablespoon. Now, I know baking soda is going to make your face really dry, but because of all the water and the cucumbers and the honey, it's actually going to be really good for acne, and it's going to make a scrub. So go back over there, just add it in there, and you can use this to stir as well. I didn't bring a spoon up here, so that wasn't a good idea. Okay, so I went ahead and added the rest of my tablespoons. I added 3 tablespoons of the baking soda, and now you're going to go on to the honey and add your tablespoon of honey. So, let's do that. So then after you've added the honey and you've stirred it around, then you can actually try it on yourself. And I would just wait like 10 minutes, put it all over your face, and then you're just going to want to rinse with like a hot washcloth. You can use hot water first, and then you're going to just splash your face with cold water. And one thing that I found doing this, I get headaches a lot, and honey kind of gives me headaches, so I don't usually like honey, and so you can actually skip the honey step, and the cucumbers and the baking soda will work okay, but it's a nice balance between the two. So go ahead and try it, tell me if you like it or not, and yeah, I just kind of came up with it. I'm sure there's other things. And I wouldn't use it every day. Baking soda is gonna dry out your face. I mean, it's good for acne, and it's good with the cucumbers and the honey, but I wouldn't use this every day. Maybe like 3 times a week or once a week, but not every day. But just make sure to rinse it out clearly, and then use lotion after. But it makes your face feel really soft, and yeah. So like I said, just have fun with it, and hope you enjoy.